Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Become second year. I discuss about the subject banking and finance. In this subject, the chapters near about fifth chapter. First chapter is Indian banking system. In this chapter, we studied introduction, meaning and definition, evaluation of banking system, structure of banking system, commercial banking system in India, uh, their introduction, definition, and functions. And for this chapter, you must work the practical. The practical is accounting, opening in bank accounting, filling of various forms, uh, slips, negotiable instruments, account closure. These practicals you must work in this chapter. Totally theoretical chapter, and subject is also totally theoretical. Second chapter, Banking Regulation Act 1949. In this chapter we studied the introduction, need of Banking Regulation Act, history of Banking Regulation Act, important provisions, social control on banking. These are the points, and for you, practical given, that is financial statements of banks, visit to any bank. Third chapter is nationalization of commercial bank. In this unit chapter, introduction, objective of nationalization of banks, nationalization of commercial bank, Narsiham committee recommendation, first and second phase, and practical for you, Narsiham committee report. Fourth chapter, that is development of banks in India. In this chapter, introduction, objectives, functions, structure, NABARD, IDBI, ICICI, SFC, IFCI. These are the financial institute we studied, and practical for you, that is visit to development bank in area. Fifth chapter, that is digital banking. In this chapter, introduction, importance of technology in banking, ATM, debit cards, credit cards, mobile banking, net banking, e-wallets, UPI, NIFT or RTGS, green banking, USSD. These points which are very new for you digitalization. Practical for you, filling of NIFT, RTGS form. You must fill NIFT or RTGS form. Understanding ATM transactions, using debit card and credit cards for online transactions. These are for practical to you. Recommended books for covered this syllabus, that is S. Natarajan and Parmeshwaram, Indian Banking. Mukund Mahajan's book, that is Indian Banking System. Third one is Jordan and Natarajan, Financial Market and Services, Himalaya Publishing House, Mumbai. Fourth one is Indian Markets and Institutions, which is Khan Yamai, written by. Fifth is written by Rudra Datta and Sundaram, Indian Economy. These books are covered for the syllabus of banking and finance. So thank you friends, stay home and stay safe. If any problem or any queries you want in the syllabus, you ask me on my mobile, that is 9881480582, or my email is sukeshdhemre@gmail.com. Thank you friends. Good luck